Hey everybody, this is Rich Noto. I am a realtor, home inspector, and notary. Right now I am in Solara. This is a Mattamy homes community. Definitely something to see. You got some great communities in the area around here. Especially if you are looking for more of a resort style living. And I just moved the camera a little to the left over here. Hopefully you could see that. You got a basketball court down there and soccer, and there's just all kinds of stuff. I know the trees now are in the way now that we're up the hill, but definitely something worth checking out. Here's the amenity complex on the left. Just fantastic, some of the things that they build in these communities. So I'm going to give you a little drive around here, and please do check out my video for the amenity clubhouse and models and homes that are for sale in the area. You can find that all at wintergardennew.com. You'll also find a list of homes that are for sale towards the bottom of every page, so check it out. Pretty cool looking townhomes around here. And also do keep in mind that I do offer home buyers incentives, but you do have to contact me first before you head over to the home builder. And my services to you as a home buyer are essentially free because I get paid from the home builder or the resale home seller. And I do work for you, and I believe in no pressure sales. The home should always sell you and the community, and no one else should ever try to sell you on the home or sell you on the community. It's a little view of this massive clubhouse. And one of the nice things about this community is that it does have a gate, and it has a gate with a security guard as well. And I do like to see that. That's a great thing. I do have to say that Mattamy Homes is showing itself in this community, like most of them. Mattamy just has a nice style about their homes. They usually have nice floor plans to go with it as well. So definitely some place to check out and consider if you are interested in purchasing a home. Yeah, it looks like they got construction going on down here at the end. They got some of these temporary gates up. Yeah, it's all construction to the other community across the way as well. And for me, if I was a home buyer, I feel like these kind of videos are always the best. I do enjoy these more than the individual model homes. And I'm not saying that the individual model home videos aren't good, because they are good, they are helpful. But for somebody that's looking to purchase a home and isn't sure where, I feel like seeing it from the point of view of the car is the best way.